I don't understand.
Denton, is that you?
Yes, what were they after?
Now you will confess and pay the price.
Got nothing.
Should not be here.
Tell me how to find this base, and I bet I can get the NSF off your back. We will locate that shipment one way or another.
Get me a weapon. Agent, open the door. Simple provision of a plasma rifle with laser sighting, and I am ready to go. Expect us to take you alive. Paul is already dead.
I didn't know that. Guess I must be old news.
I do not forget that you left me a prisoner of the NSF.
So those guys were NSF?
Now you see that you cannot succeed all alone against the
I
whole
don't
world.
understand. Just give me the next objective. I can't speak for command, but I'm gonna clean the place out. We're taking a minimum force approach. Except send you back to the people in a body bag.
Give me my revenge!
Goddamn terrorist. Time to get
Remember, no deals with terrorists.
What the hell?
My God!
Another man down here.
I am engaging.
I volunteer to pursue.
Nail this guy and we all get a phone.
Man, I'll check the area.
It's Denton.
It's been a pleasure, Agent. I hope we can work together again.